So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hello and welcome back guys. Now let's talk about the similar use case that we have seen in the previous video. But this time we have an Excel file that contains each month's sales information as a sheets. So how we can make sure that we always load the latest file. Uh, so let's open this file so you can see what we have here. So you can see here we have each month sales information as a sheet. So the idea is to load the latest file. The latest file always is the first sheet. In this case here we have January 2021. That's the first sheet. But let's see how we can solve this scenario, that is we can load the latest file. First let's go to this Power BI and let's import the data from Excel. So here we have this file. You can also download this file from the description below. So let's open this. I'll be right clicking on this and I'll be going to this transform data here. I can see it says a data table, so I'll be clicking on first table, that is we here we have January 2021. Let's click on this. Then you can see here we have table information and I'll be clicking on this close and apply to show what we have here. Let's just quickly visualize this. So let's click on this table information. So let's add some values here. Let's add month wise products and their sales. Let's format this to, let's increase the size to 15. Let's also increase the column headers to 14 and make it bold. You can see we have information for the January month. So what I want is when I refresh this file, I'll be getting this new file, new information here. That is if I have this let's say this is my new file and I'll be just dragging this here and paste it here. I can see the first file here is March 2021. Let's save this and let's close this. Now when I click on this refresh, I would like to get the March sales. Let's click on refresh. You can see here nothing is happening here. So maybe the similar scenario that we have seen, there is maybe here the hard coded setting is done. So let's go to this transform data here again. Let's go to this source option here, and here on this navigation section you can see here it points to, again it is points to the item January 2021. So we have done this. How we can do this? We just need to replace this with the 0 so that it points to the file. That's file, Excel file, not the sheet. So I'll just entering enter. Just enter. Now you can see here we have the month, that is the March month information. Let's see, use the first rows as a header. So you can see here, just delete this. Yeah, you can see. Now let's close and apply here. Now you can see here we got the sales figures for the March month. Let's try once again. So let's go to this file here. Now what I'll do, I'll just drag this and paste it here so that the February 2021 will be my the latest file. So let's just save this file, and now let's try to refresh this. Yeah, you can see here now we got the February sales figure. That is the latest file that I have. That is the first file. That is the latest file. I'm assuming that. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.